Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical weed killer, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Weed Killer, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best weed killer from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer. Keep your outdoor spaces clean and weed-free with Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer. This powerful, non-selective herbicide is designed to eliminate weeds and grasses down to the root. It works fast, showing visible results in as little as 3 hours and is rain-proof in just 15 minutes. The 1.33-gallon container, equipped with the innovative AccuShot sprayer, provides easy and efficient application, reducing hand fatigue with a continuous spray action. The battery-powered extendable wand ensures improved accuracy and a precise application every time. Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer is perfect for patios, walkways, flower beds, and other non-lawn areas. Simply spray the formula to completely cover the leaves and let it work its magic. With its active ingredients diquat-dibromide, fluazi fall plant pubetzel, and dicamba, it ensures complete weed elimination, leaving you with a cleaner, more enjoyable outdoor space. Just be sure to avoid desirable plants to ensure safety. Number 2. Natural Armor Weed and Grass Killer. Get rid of stubborn weeds and grasses quickly with Natural Armor Weed and Grass Killer. This all-natural, concentrated formula is free from glyphosate and is safe for both people and pets. It's a powerful solution to stop weeds and grasses right in their tracks, often leaving them looking like they've been scorched. Easy to use, simply spray and go. There's no need for messy mixing or diluting. Natural Armor Weed and Grass Killer can be used in a variety of locations such as flower beds, driveways, patios, pathways, around trees, and even on overgrown weed areas. Its fast-acting formula shows visible results within hours, with even greater effectiveness shortly after. With vinegar as its active ingredient, this eco-friendly solution ensures effective weed and grass control wherever you need it, while being safe for your home and the environment. Perfect for those who prefer a natural, powerful weed killer. Number 3. Scott's Weed Control Turf Builder Triple Action 1. Transform your lawn with Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action 1, a powerful 3-in-1 formula that kills weeds, prevents crabgrass, and feeds your grass for a thicker, greener lawn. This easy-to-use solution targets and eliminates common lawn weeds like dandelions, clover, ground ivy, chickweed, and more. Ideal for a variety of grass types, including Kentucky bluegrass, Bermuda grass, and tall fescue, Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action 1 ensures optimal lawn care. Simply apply to a wet lawn using a Scott spreader, then water after 24 hours for best results. Apply in early spring when weeds like dandelions are actively growing for maximum effectiveness. With a coverage of 12,000 square feet, this is a reliable and efficient way to maintain a lush, beautiful lawn all year round. Keep your grass healthy and protected with Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action 1. Number 4. Ortho GroundClear Year-Long Vegetation Killer. Take control of your yard with Ortho GroundClear Year-Long Vegetation Killer. This powerful concentrate formula kills weeds, grasses, and existing vegetation while preventing regrowth for up to a full year. Ideal for driveways, sidewalks, gravel areas, parking lots, rock landscapes, and more, this fast-acting solution targets weeds right down to the root, ensuring long-lasting results. Simply mix 24 oz of the concentrate with a gallon of water and apply using a tank hose sprayer for effective coverage. 1 gallon of Ortho GroundClear makes enough to treat up to 1,600 square feet, helping you maintain a clean, weed-free environment all year long. Perfect for high-traffic areas and hard-to-reach spaces, this vegetation killer eliminates the hassle. Say goodbye to unwanted weeds and enjoy a tidy, well-maintained landscape with Ortho GroundClear Year-Long Vegetation Killer. Get your yard under control today. Number 5. ECO Garden Pro Organic Vinegar Weed Killer. Eco Garden Pro Organic Vinegar Weed Killer is the perfect solution for eliminating unwanted weeds and grass without the use of harmful chemicals. Designed to be pet and kid safe, this organic herbicide is ideal for homes with pets, children, and even bees and fish. Its proprietary formula provides immediate results within 24 hours, ensuring your garden and yard stay neat and weed-free. The formula contains natural white vinegar, organic rock salt, and other biodegradable ingredients that target tough weeds like dandelions, clover, moss, thistle, crabgrass, and more. Eco-friendly and 100% biodegradable, it's safe for the environment, groundwater, and your family. Use it on driveways, sidewalks, flower beds, parking lots, and even farmlands for a clean, green lawn. With a coverage area of 1,000 square feet, EcoGarden Pro Weed Killer is effective for residential, commercial, and industrial needs. Choose a greener, safer, and more efficient weed control solution today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.